Welcome, friends, to a journey of love and timeless connections. Today, we unveil a treasure that speaks the language of the heart. In the tapestry of life, every thread of love and care weaves a story that transcends time. Introducing a masterpiece that captures the essence of love, a music figurine that speaks directly to the heart. Engraved with a promise, you have touched so many hearts. Each letter, each heart, is a testament to the impact of love, shared and received. Crafted with precision and care, this figurine embodies the innocence of love, with each detail telling its own tale of affection and tenderness. Accompanied by the timeless melody of love will keep us together, this figurine is not just seen but felt, resonating with the chords of our deepest connections. In a world craving genuine connection, give the gift of love that echoes in the hearts of those you cherish. Let this music figurine be more than a present. Let it be a symbol of your undying love and the memories you share. Harmony of hearts, where love becomes a legacy. Discover this exquisite symbol of affection and let your story of love be heard. Thank you for joining us on this journey of love. Harmony of hearts is more than a gift, it's a message, a memory, a bond. Discover it, share it, and let love flourish. Until next time, keep spreading love.